There we go.
Come
Guys,
to
what do I
lake if
do
you
with
wanna
the what do I do with the jelly looking thing? What do I do with the jelly looking thing?
You have this too.
Hold on. Let me just do something real quick. You guys stay over there. Alright, Nick, come in.
You don't have the original cheese ball.
Come to the Kraken Lake if you want to be in a giveaway.
Alright. Where the lake is.
Where is it?
Come to the Kraken Lake if you want to do a giveaway.
Where's the Kraken Lake?
Yeah, the crack all the way in the end.
Don't play this guy.
Where the ship is?
There you go. I double up, I'll blood you, buddy. I'll blood you. Come here.
Wait,
Come
actually-
here, buddy. Yeah,
The blue guy?
Wait, let me go see how much.
Kill that.
There's 4 floaties. Whoever takes the third, whoever takes the last 3 wins.
Lily!
I'm going to the crack. Hold on, guys. I'm going to the crack to giveaway. Hold on. You mean like in friends of crack?
Me.
Purple?
No.
I'm at all the way at the top of lake.
Okay, I'm going to the crack. Friends.
And I'm
the friends to go to
Batman.
Stay, little kid.
No.
Lily!
Why do you sound like one?
Don't.
And I want to say, I sound like a little Jimmy. You all. I know to mind.
Hello. Lily, what you have? Real. It's not Purple Batman, Lily.
Someone's doing a giveaway.
You want my
I like to go do giveaways.
Going up.
Hey, yo, look! A rocket can't even carry me. Let's go!
Come to the crack if you want to be in a giveaway.
Oh, finally.
Come to the crack?
Yeah, the crack up there. You thought I was talking about something else?
Hey, I think I just died.
Yeah, I'll swim for a while.
Someone give me a gun.
Fine.
Someone give me a gun.
Someone give me a
Someone should do mines.
No, guys, I just created a new team. I just created a new team. Look, I created a new team. Good luck.
This is get my
Can you give me stuff? I'm broke. Hey, can you give me
You can have this backpack to go mining with me.
Thank you. How to need it?
I'm gonna get my own.
Don't go
the
GTA.
crowbar.
Yeah.
Yeah, because, bro, somebody just hit me!
You're going up with a little.
Oh my god!
Are you going with the beauties or you go mining?
Where are you?
What the Sigma data
Are you with the beauties or not?
What is it called? GTA?
Yeah, GTA.
A or 8?
Try 8.
No. Okay. Let me tell you.
Is it GTA?
No. It's the game GTA.
Oh, GTA.
What are you doing? Not even that bad.
Down.
Ow!
Here, kid.
Coco! Hey, God!
Hey guys, what does a new update comes out? Guys, what does a new update comes out? Hey bro. Can someone tell me what the new update comes out? Uranium. Tell me what? That's uranium. Guys, what does the new update comes out?
Tell me!
Uranium. Yeah, try uranium. Yeah, try uranium.
Tell me!
I'll sell you. You want me to sell? Yo, what's in there, bro?